Hare Krishna. The Hindustan Times, one of the largest newspapers in India, English medium, published this article on December 23rd, 2002. It is in their rewriting of the headline. They wrote, "They also serve who only stand and wait." This is the article, which I'm going to read. "If it doesn't work, dump it," blurts the trash culture mantra. Loyalty is pinched these days, especially when it comes to our four-legged friends. Go Raksha, cow protection, is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita, 18.44. Apart from the Bhagavad Gita, non-violence messages, many speeches along with the cow, also require human protection. But those who serve us may also save us. Check this out. Govinda, the family cow, one day stopped giving milk. Exasperated, Kharagpur agriculturist Dutt said, "No milk? You're useless. Time for you to be taken away." The cow asked, "Taken away? But I've been giving milk for 14 years, and the whole Dutt family has drunk it, made it into cheese, yogurt, butter, and ghee every day." The cow's doe-like eyes became sad. The cow wondered, why does he speak like this? Is it memory loss or cow abuse? Just then, Farmer Dutt started up his tractor. He wanted to go to the lake and preferred driving to riding Hayagriva, his horse. Hayagriva thought, while whisking his tail angrily, "I hope he's not using that noisy, smelly thing just to go for a drive." Then something made Dutt change his mind, however, and he set off downhill to the lake on foot. Suddenly, Govinda saw the tractor roll. Farmer Dutt had left the engine running, and the machine was following him. Govinda raced. Her mind raced. How to warn Farmer Dutt? The machine was hurtling behind him. Couldn't he hear it? It was too late for any warning. She ran across the hill as fast as her hooves would carry her and bumped straight into him. He lurched sideways 2 yards as the roaring tractor just missed them, whizzed past, and plunged into the lake. "I suppose I'll keep you now, Govinda. After all, you did save my life," the cultivator muttered. "And Hayagriva is a lot quieter than the awful tractor. I think I'll ride him around." Deer, elephants, spiders, snakes, birds, bees, butterflies, and fish are all called gurus in the Bhagavad Gita. And in the Bhagavad Purana, they're specifically mentioned in the 11th canto, 7th chapter, 33rd verse. One can also learn loyalty from a pet dog and a useless, quote-unquote, cow. People like George Orwell, who wrote the classic Animal Farm in 1945, now being performed as a stage play in central Beijing. Walt Kelly, author of the cartoon character Pogo Possum. Aesop and the authors of Hitopradesh and Panchatantra have shown us that stories of thinking, talking animals can teach us many lessons. Lifelong education depends on our protecting cows, observing animals, observing their behavior, and adhering to Shastric wisdom. Hare Krishna.